You're tuning into Black and White Sports on YouTube. The no-holds-barred truth on sports. The main event starts now.
I'm back. Rodrance for Black and White Live. Well, it appears that former Raiders and University of Alabama wide receiver Henry Ruggs cannot keep himself out of a bind, even in light of the allegedly horrid acts that he committed involving the death of a lady, Tina Tanter, and her dog Max in a horrible, horrible felony DUI accident in Las Vegas a few weeks ago. He was driving over 156 miles an hour and tested out with a blood alcohol level twice the legal limit. And, of course, he appeared in court. One of the things that he was supposed to do was give periodic alcohol breath test. And he couldn't even follow through with that. So, knuckleheads are going to knuckle. So, let's get to this. This is crazy. He has to go back to court for this, even in light of the horrible act that he was allegedly involved with. He can't even get this right. Ruggs was not ordered to go back to jail over the missed test. This is TMZ. But the judge ruled he will now have to undergo 24/7 alcohol monitoring. The judge ordered Ruggs to wear an ankle device that will measure the levels of alcohol in his system through his skin. The former NFL player had previously been testing his alcohol levels via a handheld device. Here he is leaving the courtroom. Yeah, right there. In the all black. Somehow people are finding a reason to laugh when they leave a courtroom. Good God. This is crazy. Total lack of self-awareness, it seems, by him and the people around him. Ruggs did not speak with media members as he left the courtroom. He's due back in court for another hearing in this DUI case in December. Henry Ruggs is back in the public eye. The ex-Raider star just showed up to a Las Vegas courtroom after a judge ordered him to appear over a missed breath test. Ruggs entered the courtroom in a black shirt, black pants, and a black bow tie. So, I guess this is him coming in the courtroom. There we go. Okay. Of course, the last time we saw Ruggs was in public was in a courtroom November 3rd, the day after he was accused of slamming his Corvette into a Toyota and killing a woman and her dog. After that hearing where Ruggs posted bond and was released in custody, the football player was seen in a neck brace and wheelchair. The 22-year-old, though, appeared to be just fine on Monday morning, showing no long-term injuries suffered in the crash. As we previously reported, Ruggs was ordered to appear before a judge Monday after he allegedly missed a required alcohol breath test. As part of the conditions of his release, he was ordered to submit to alcohol testing several times a day, and at the hearing last week, a judge said he missed one of those check-ins. There's a chance Ruggs could be put back behind bars. The hearing to discuss is currently underway. So, the way TMZ runs is on their website. They actually start with the updates at the top and go from there. But you get the point. Ruggs cannot even, in light of the heinous things he's done, and he's facing 50 years in prison for these allegedly heinous acts that he committed. We've seen the video of the Corvette flying down the road. And, I mean, that video had another car in it driving the actual speed limit. And then there's his Corvette. There were reports that the prosecution was trying to get the medical records for his girlfriend because she had been injured in the crash. His attorneys were trying to block that because it was going to lay him with another felony DUI charge. And I'm sure they will get those records. In Nevada, that is a thing, and they can hold him to that as well and throw those charges on top of that. So, I said we were going to stay on top of this Henry Ruggs thing, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Tell me what you think, Black and White Live fans. Wow, even under the seriousness of all this, he can't even do something as simple as follow an alcohol testing program. It's crazy. Peace. I'm out. Till next time.
Thanks for watching the show. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tune in next time on Black and White Sports.